beautifully brainy. That's the new RN803 network stereo receiver from Yamaha. Its classic brushed black aluminum finish and sleek knobs are sure to catch your eye. But it's what's inside that will win your hi-fi heart. For the first time in a hi-fi receiver, the RN803 features YPOW, the famed Yamaha technology that measures the acoustic characteristics of your room and automatically adjusts the signal parameters to create the ideal 2-channel listening experience. And the RN803 knows connectivity, from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth to AirPlay. You can connect to all your music sources. Plus, this hi-fi receiver features MusicCast, Yamaha's wireless multi-room audio system that uses your existing Wi-Fi network to connect all your MusicCast-enabled audio components and allows you to control them through one easy-to-use app. The RN803 even features a phono input for connecting your turntable and a USB input for flash drives, so you can enjoy music from any source, anytime. Now that's smart and beautiful. The RN803 from Yamaha.
The VSX523 is the entry into Pioneer's extensive home theater receiver lineup. Power, performance, and advanced connectivity make it a tremendous value for someone that isn't only looking to add surround sound in their home, but that also wants more flexibility and power for integrating other devices like smartphones, gaming systems, etc. Smartphones have become a convenient and powerful way to stay connected to your favorite entertainment on the go, but there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to enjoy it in the living room too. Pioneer has been a leader in smartphone connectivity from the start, and that's why the VSX523 has a USB port on the front of the receiver that is made for iPhone and iPod certified, including the iPhone 5 and iPad mini. That means you can plug in your iPhone and let your family and friends enjoy your favorite music with you, and it will even charge your device too while it plays. That front USB port is also a great feature even if you don't have an Apple product. Simply plug in a thumb drive with your favorite music and the VSX523 will play back all of your MP3s, WMAs, and AAC files. One of the many benefits of going with an AV receiver over a home theater in a box solution is more power. With 140 watts by 5 channels, the Pioneer VSX523 has more than enough power on tap to make your speakers of choice come alive for both home theater and music. Pioneer's MCACC auto room calibration makes sure your speakers perform their absolute best. Plug in the included microphone and the receiver will optimize its settings to perfectly match your speakers with your room. 4 HDMI inputs provide connectivity for all of your sources, like Blu-ray disc players, cable boxes, and gaming consoles. The VSX523 has included advanced HDMI technologies as well. Not only will it pass 3D, but it'll also pass 4K Ultra HD. 4K Ultra HD is the latest TV technology, providing 4 times the resolution of current 1080p TVs. When you're ready to upgrade, so is the Pioneer VSX523. With its power, 4K Ultra HD compatibility, and smartphone connectivity, Pioneer's VSX523 provides a home theater experience far greater than its entry-level status would lead you to expect.
Denon presents the new AVR X6400H and AVR X4400H. Fully loaded for spectacular immersive surround sound and HEOS music streaming. Both AVRs combine top-class build quality with the latest home cinema technologies to deliver state-of-the-art performance for both movies and music. Take a look at the AVR X6400H, featuring 11 power amp channels in a monolithic amplifier design for the ultimate in sound and speaker configuration options. A huge custom-made power transformer and high-quality power supply capacitors provide great reserves of power, while Denon's custom-made high-current transistors are used for temperature stability. Thanks to 4 powerful Shark DSPs, both AV receivers are designed to provide the most complete 3D sound experience with additional overhead speakers. Feel every dimension in Dolby Atmos, captivating 3-dimensional sound from literally any direction. DTS-X makes sound move around you like it would in real life, no matter the number of speakers installed, while newly built-in Auro 3D adds up to the most complete 3D sound options in any AV receiver. With our highly acclaimed HEOS music streaming technology, you can instantly stream from music services like Spotify, TuneIn Internet Radio, Deezer, Tidal, SoundCloud and more via the free HEOS app. Browse through your home music file library fast and intuitively. Listen to tracks directly from your phone, tablet or USB drive. Add more HEOS family products and play different music in every room or the same song in every room perfectly synchronized. Let's not forget about the built-in Bluetooth and AirPlay capability to quickly stream music from your smartphone to the AV receivers. With in total 8 HDMI inputs and 3 outputs, the AVR X6400H and AVR X4400H are ready to take over full control of literally all modern playback devices at the same time. All is configured through the exclusive Setup Assistant. With the included measuring microphone, Audyssey's Ultimate Mult-EQ XT32 room acoustic measurement system perfectly matches your speakers to your room. And with the separately available Audyssey Mult-EQ Editor app, advanced users can go even further under the hood to view and adjust the settings made by the automatic setup. With Quick Select, you can choose your favorite sources via a single button, and the specific audio settings will be recalled as well. To round up, you can control your AV receivers via our Denon AVR remote app, which is available in both iOS and Android versions, and also for the Kindle Fire. The new AVR X6400H and AVR X4400H. World-class engineering.
Put the focus on musicality with the Onkyo TX8270 network stereo receiver, a beautifully engineered stereo receiver that excels in versatility. Crafted for the hi-fi enthusiast, the 8270 serves as a contemporary receiver for today's vast entertainment options. With analog, digital, phono, USB, and HDMI inputs, this all-in-one receiver is capable of connecting to virtually any device you own. The 4 HDMI inputs provide support for 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and more, giving it a leg up on most other receivers in its class. Pair this receiver with your favorite speakers and crank up the hits. With 100 watts per channel, a massive transformer, audio-grade capacitors, and discrete non-phase shift circuitry, the 8270 is built to rock with low distortion, superior clarity, and plenty of power. What about streaming audio, you ask? The 8270 features dual-band Wi-Fi for stable connectivity, ensuring you're equipped to handle the latest wireless audio technologies and streaming services. And with the Onkyo controller app, all your streaming services are available in one intuitive interface. Control, volume, track selection, and distribute your music throughout your home, all from one easy-to-use application. Connect to your favorite music today with the Onkyo TX8270 network stereo receiver.
Step up to the all-new Onkyo TX-NR585 7.2 channel AV receiver featuring Dolby Atmos surround sound. Elevate your music and movies to the next level with 170 watts per channel. 6 4K HDMI inputs allow you to connect your favorite high-definition entertainment sources, from a built-in phono input to all your favorite audio services, including Amazon Music, to the latest in multi-room streaming options like Chromecast built in. The 585 is ready to deliver. This is the only receiver in its class with a dedicated Power Zone 2, so you can take what you're listening to into a second room, synchronize your source for both zones, or select different sources for each. The option is yours. The Onkyo TX-NR585 AV receiver, your key to unlocking tomorrow's 4K entertainment today.